Every once in a while, we get a new digital innovation that changes the way we see and interpret the world. Us in the media industry, we try to make sense of information. And we are getting an increasing amount of data. And this poses special challenges to the mediums and technologies by which we operate. We parse and deliver information to the end user. And for that purpose, we use algorithms, we use crowdsourcing in the form of social media or expert recommendations. We use even cognitive artificial intelligences in order to make sense of the world around us. Locationews adds another spice to this mix. We tell you about the world according to geolocation. So what is our innovation? We have created an AI geolocator algorithm that can go through any content on the web and put it on a map. Content has a point of origin that makes it relevant to the people around. We have innovated a business model around the geolocal idea because many businesses have a physical location. Their product or service exists somewhere. With our platform, they can do native advertisement geolocally. And we have created publishing tools for anyone to start publishing locally, be it a big media house or individuals. So how do we leverage these innovations? We have not created one, but two platforms. Locationews is your local news portal. Explores is a geolocal blogging platform for exploration and discovery. And later this year, we will put even events on a map. Let's talk a little bit more about Locationews. Over 60% of the news that you consume through social media. This creates a unique challenge. Our news cycle is oversaturated by the trending global topics, the Donald Trumps and the Kim Kardashians of this world. Have you ever had this feeling that the world you see through your smartphone is very different from the world you see through the window? Locationews is your window to your surrounding reality. We started as a Google Digital News Initiative prototype. After successfully completing the D&I project, we got accepted to the Next Media Accelerator here in Hamburg and secured further investment from the Finnish innovation fund called the Business Finland. And we were nominated as one of the most promising startups in Finland by the Research Institute of Finnish Economy. We have secured partnership with the biggest media brands in our country. Yle is the national broadcasting company of Finland, the Tagesschau, if I pronounce it correctly. Helsingin Sanomat, that is the daily newspaper of our nation's capital. The Die Zeit of Finland, maybe. And many, many more smaller publishers around our country. But not only in our country, we just added 6 feeds from here in Germany and here from Hamburg. So if you go to www.locationnews.com, you can start reading in German as well. Numbers. We launched Locationews 2 months ago. And we started from 0. And in 2 months, we went from 0 to 10,000 monthly users. But the next number is my favorite. 40% of those users are coming back. And this means that we are actually creating value to the people using our service. We have geolocated over 9,000 articles from 49 different feeds, and those are numbers that we can scale fast with our automated technology. We have piloted our idea of local native advertisement or the business story with our first customers, and they have been very happy because they have been getting a return of investment of 4 cents per click on their ads. But from the get-go, we realized that there is one industry that resonates specifically well with our geolocal approach. One industry that is based on compelling stories and interesting locations. I'm talking, of course, about the travel industry, or as I would like to call it, the adventure industry. And that is why we created Explories, a geolocal platform for exploration and discovery. On Explories, we gather the most interesting adventure blogs and we scatter their content on a map. Our users can use this service when they're planning their next adventure or when they just want to be inspired by this beautiful earth that we all share. The future is looking good. We aim to hit 100,000 monthly users on Locationews in Finland only by the end of 2018. Germany is 16 times bigger than Finland, so imagine what we can do here in Germany with our partners at the NMA. Explories will have the most interesting adventure content in the Northern Europe. And we have already made huge steps forward this goal because we secured a partnership with the biggest adventure media in Finland called Retkipaikka, and they alone have over 250,000 weekly visitors. And as I told you, we will put events on a map. More about that later. All right, bold claims, big promises. What is the team that can deliver on what I've said today? Content creation, journalism, user experience design, web design, service design, and over 40 years of combined experience of creating innovative digital solutions. There's 3 musicians, 1 elected politician, and 1 fighter pilot in this team. I kid you not, if there is a team that can deliver on the promises I make on this stage today, this is the team. But the team is lacking 1 partner. We are looking for 500,000 euros of investment because we want to put the whole of Europe on our map. But more, we are looking for a partner that is as enthusiastic about our geolocal innovation, can help us take it to the next level. In this audience tonight, I think there will be such partner. Thank you very much.